Hi friends, this is Madhu Pandit, your own certified well-being and spiritual life coach. Today we are going to meditate on inner surrender. This is a very soulful, guided meditation. First of all, I am going to explain about the inner surrender. Surrender is often misunderstood. It doesn't mean giving up. It means letting go of control, of the need to force, fix or fight, and instead trusting that life knows what it's doing. Inner surrender is the moment we stop struggling against what it is. It's when we soften our grip and allow life to flow through us instead of pushing against it. Think of a river. When we try to control its flow, we get exhausted. But when we allow ourselves to float, we realize the river was always carrying us where we needed to go. Surrender is not weakness. It's courage, the courage to trust the unknown, to release the old, and to open our hands and heart to something greater than fear. So inner surrender invites us into harmony with our own self, with others, and with life. So let's experience the inner surrender meditation. Find a comfortable position. Let your hands rest softly on your lap or by your side. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Once again, take a slow, deep breath through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your body softening with each breath, your shoulders relaxing, your jaw releases, your chest opens. With every exhale, let go of any tension you have been holding. Now bring your attention to your heart region. Imagine a soft light glowing there, warm, steady, peaceful. This light represents your inner wisdom, the part of you that already knows how to let go. As you breathe into this light, silently repeat, I trust the flow of life. I let go of what I cannot control. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to your breath, to that soft rhythm of surrender. Now Imagine a river flowing in front of you, calm, endless, serene. You are standing by its edge, holding a few heavy stones, each one representing something you have been carrying. Worry, fear, expectation, maybe pain from the past. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine placing one stone into the water. Watch it sink and disappear. The river accepts it without judgment, without effort. Repeat with each breath, one stone at a time. With every release, you feel lighter, your heart softens, your mind clears. You whisper quietly to yourself, I surrender. I am safe. I trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Now imagine yourself stepping into the river. The water is gentle and warm. It carries you effortlessly. No resistance, no struggle. Just trust, just flow. Surrender is just like a flow of life. And this flow is very powerful. Feel yourself that you have been supported, you have been loved by life. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just breathe and be. Just breathe and be. Let this peace fill every part of you, your heart, your mind, your body. You are free. You are in the flow. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Place your hand over your heart. Feel the calm that now lives here. You are ready. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much.